Hi everyone. Today, we're going on a journey back in time, more than 2,000 years ago, to explore a fascinating number system used by the ancient Romans. Have you ever seen a clock or a watch with numbers like XII? Those are Roman numerals. Before we had the numbers 1, 2, 3 that we use today, the Romans had their own special way of writing numbers. Instead of digits, they used letters from their alphabet, like I, V, X, L, C, D, and M, to count, do business, and build their great empire. In this presentation, we'll learn what Roman numerals are, how to read and write them. Let's have some games at the end to check our knowledge. Maybe. So get ready to think like a Roman, and have fun with numbers in a whole new way. Roman numerals began during the founding of ancient Rome. The system was widely used across the ancient world. Myers of Hay, it descended from Etruscan numerals and Greek Attic numerals. Flaws of Roman numerals. No symbol for 0. 0. Difficult for complex calculations and counting. These limitations led to the introduction of the Arabic numeral system in Europe. Roman numerals may have come from tally sticks used by shepherds. Cudgelled. I equals 1 unit. V equals every 5th tally. X equals every 10th tally. Second theory shows how the Romans may have used simple hand gestures to represent numbers quickly and clearly, even without writing. 1 to 4. Fingers held up. 5. Thumb out, other fingers together. 6 to 9. One hand showing 5, other hand showing 1 to 4. 10. Thumbs crossed like an X. Even though they are ancient, Roman numerals are still used in many places today. Clocks and watches, broken chapters and outlines. Movie sequels and video games. Buildings and monuments. Numbering in MS Word. Here are the main Roman numerals you should remember. I equals 1. V equals 5. X equals 10. Few more important Roman numerals to remember. L equals 50. C equals 100. D equals 500. M equals 1000. These numerals cannot be used more than 3 times. In other words, these numerals can be repeated up to 3 times in a row. It is called repetition rule. These numerals cannot be repeated. If a smaller letter comes after a bigger one, we add. It is called additive rule. If a smaller letter comes before a bigger one, we subtract. It is called subtractive rule. Let's see how we write the Roman numerals. We write number 1 as 1 I. We write number 2 as 2 I's. We write number 3 as 3 I's. We cannot write 4 as 4 I's in a row as it is not allowed. In other words, we can repeat I up to 3 times to add up the number. So we use the subtractive rule. I before V means 1 less than 5. So 4 equals I, V. Then 5 is just V. From 6 to 8 again additive and repetitive rule. That means to V we add I to get 6VI. To the V we add 2IS to get 7 to get 7 VII. To the V we add 3 I's to get 8 VIII. Again for number 9 we use subtractive rule, as the repetitive rule is there so we can't add 4 IS. So we write it as IX to tell. 9 is 10 minus 1. Then 10 is just X. Same way continue to write from 11 to 20. To the X we add IS, V and X. Same way we use additive subtractive rule and the repetitive rule. So let's count again by looking at the Roman numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we are going to play some games and see whether you can remember. Let's count Roman numerals in order from 1 to 20, and say the numbers as we go. You say the number out loud and do one hop forward. Now we go from 10 down to 1, and each time we say a Roman numeral, we hop backward. two numbers you got from the dice and say the total. Write the answer in Roman numerals. Each letter in the alphabet has a number based on its position. A equals 1, mengenus B equals 2, mengenus C equals 3, and so on. Write down the list of Roman numerals in front of each Arabic number. Refer that and find the matching alphabet letter for each number in the message. Put the letters together to find the secret message. Pause the video now and start to find the first message. Thank you. Smile. I'm glad you enjoyed learning about Roman numerals. If you or your students have any questions later, feel free to send a WhatsApp message to 0777 329 367.